Hi guys, are you wondering how to make this kind of screen teeth effect in your video? Let me show you how. Let's go!
First thing first, you need to have either green or blue claw in order to do this effect. You have to step up like this, whereby your green screen is higher than the prop. It's okay that you don't have any stand to set up the green claw. As you can see, I'm actually using luggage to fix this. Just use your creativity and any problem will be solved. After setting up, you just go behind and tag the prop in front of you. For the next shot, you can use either computer, laptop, or TV. Record yourself sleeping or doing anything that you like and being shocked as if you notice that your prop is disappeared. After you record these two clips, open the editing software CapCut or the Chinese version Jianying. Tap New Project and insert the second video first. Tap Overlay to add the green screen video. Delete the unnecessary part for both clips, and after that, move the overlay clip to the front. Tap Overlay clip and scroll along to find Chroma key. Move the color picker to green color part. After that, adjust the intensity and shadow to make the green screen disappear. Resize the clip and move it to match with the television. Tap Mask and select Rectangle. Adjust it to the correct position to make it look like you are in the TV. You're almost complete this, but if you want to add this effect, you have to export it first. After that, create another new project to add the video you just edited. Find the point where the screen is end and tap Effect. Add effects and go for retro. Scroll down and select either TV on or TV off, and you are ready to go.
Enjoy this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to know more about video editing tutorial by only using your phone. I'll see you next time. Bye.